Hey guys, I'm going to do the first two questions as a little tutorial here. These are the hardest type of word problems, so I think it's good to watch someone do them. If you want to stop the video now, you can try the problems and use this one as an answer key. Number one says to find the smaller of two consecutive integers if the sum of the smaller is twice the larger, and twice the larger is -4. A lot going on there. I'm first going to start out by saying, here is my smaller. Here is my larger. Okay, the smaller of consecutive I'll call x. In consecutive integers, the larger is x plus 1. That came from the fact that they're two consecutive integers. Okay, the sum means I'm going to add these together. It says the sum of the smaller and twice the larger. So I'm going to take the larger and multiply it by 2. Is -4. So that gives me my equation. So x and x plus 1 came from the consecutive integers. The equation came from the sum of the smaller and twice the larger. I am going to solve that first by distributing. Then combining like terms. I have 3x plus 2 is equal to -4. Inverse operations. X is equal to -2. That means this one is -2, and -2 plus 1 is -1. So my final answer is -2 and -1. Again, not an easy question because we are having to define more than one unknown. And the same thing is going to happen on this one. It says the length of a rectangle is 2 more than twice the width. All right. This is width and length, how they are related. What is the width and length if the perimeter is 40 centimeters? So let's first identify width and length. Well, if the width is x, the length is 2 more than twice. So here is twice, and 2 more of that is plus 2. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I like to label a rectangle always, and reminding myself that perimeter is all the way around. So if I add up all those 4 sides, x plus 2x plus x plus 2x, that is 6x. Again, I just did 2x plus x plus 2x plus x. That is 6x. Bad color. And then 2 plus 2 is 4. That is the perimeter, and it says right in the problem that the perimeter is 40. Now I have an equation to solve by subtracting 4 on both sides, dividing by 6. So x is equal to 6. That doesn't tell me the width and the length, though. That does not tell me the width and the length. If x is 6, 2 times 6 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. So my width is 6 centimeters, and my length is 14 centimeters. Okay. Good luck on the rest. I hope this helps out. Remember to identify the unknowns before you try to write an equation. That's going to help you out.